6 bundles of Yaba tablets were recovered from a vehicle bearing the number TR01BG0314 coming from Mizoram on the basis of reliable sources, the market value of which is 6 crore. Damsara police arrested 2 drug dealers at the incident. The police of Damsara police station has got a huge success during the search operation. 6 bundles of Yaba tablets was recovered from a Bolero vehicle bearing the number TR01BG0314 coming from Mizoram on the basis of reliable sources under the initiative of North Tripura District SP Bandopada Chakravarti, the market value of which is 6 crore. Damsara police arrested 2 drug dealers at the incident. Their names are Krishna Chandra Shil and Mamun Hussain. Krishna Chandra Shil is from Rani Bazar and Mamun Hussain is from Bishalgarh, said the police.
দিয়ে ধরে রাখুন নাহলে নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে আমরা আমার হিসাব দিতে কষ্ট হবে। এই হলো ট্যাবলেট 1 নম্বর এরকম একটা প্যাকেটের মধ্যে 200 করে ছিল আছে 10,000 যদি হয় একটার মধ্যে কত প্যাকেটই বলি এরকম করে 5টা প্যাকেট স্যার।
Police will present them to the court on Friday under the NDPS Act case. Moreover, the police will now start the investigation to find out their other members. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.